if we are beginning at the early age, we are stimulating their curiosity. We are nurturing their independence to explore, to experiment. So which is, prerequisite to the later learning. So we are making them lifelong learners. So through this process and giving them exposure at the early age, is instilling a lot of joy for learning, a lot of confidence. So which is really important.
Learning has to happen from the day the child is born. Their minds are opening up. They are ready to experiment. They are ready to question. Their observation part is increasing. So with this hands-on experiences, you are creating spirit of inquiry also into it.